What's up YouTube, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to talk about the Poco X2, which is the first ever device from Poco since now it's been an independent brand. There are many leaks regarding the upcoming Poco device. Some are already been confirmed by Poco itself on their official Twitter account, and even on the website they provided some information regarding the upcoming Poco X2. Many people were expecting that we might see a new Poco phone F2 device, but that hasn't been the case right now, even though that phone is in the pipeline and it may be released in later this year. So guys, most of the things are known to us, and it is considered by many leaksters over the internet that the upcoming device of Poco X2 is a rebranded name of Redmi K30, which has already been launched in China. So in this video I'm going to talk about the details of those specifications which has already been leaked, and there are some new leaks which has been arrived since that day, and even the launch date and price of that device has been leaked over the internet, so we will check that as well. So before going into the video, if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon so you can get notified for every new video which I upload on this channel. So guys, looking at many leaks and rumors, it is considered that we might see the Redmi K30 rebranded as a Poco X2. If that happens, I feel it is not a good from a brand which got much reputation when they have launched Poco phone F1. So guys, first we are going to talk about those specifications which already been confirmed by Poco itself on their official Twitter account. There are few teasers which already confirmed the specification of that device, and one of the main highlights which Poco X2 is being targeted over the internet and many teasers regarding that has been shown is the presence of 120 Hz of a refresh rate inside that particular device, which is an awesome thing because this is going to be a nice thing, because 120 Hz of a refresh rate is kind of a trend right now, because S20 is also coming with a 120 Hz of a refresh rate, and upcoming OnePlus 8 is also expected to be in the same category. So having that 120 Hz of a refresh rate is a great start from Poco to launch that device with such a high refresh rate. The second confirmation regarding the Poco X2 is the presence of 27 watt of fast charging support inside that device, and if you look at the teaser very closely, you will notice that the bottom half of the device has already been leaked over that teaser image, and in upcoming Poco X2 we will see the speaker grill, a noise cancellation mic, a Type-C port, and also a 3.5mm headphone jack inside that device. Additionally, the third teaser released by Poco X2, and if you look at closely that teaser, you will see that there is a volume rocker, and below the volume rocker you will see a power button which is also acting as a fingerprint sensor on the right side. This is a confirmation that on the front of the device we might not see AMOLED display on front side, and IPS LCD display is going to be seen on the upcoming Poco X2. Also on their website they have mentioned the upcoming Poco X2 is coming with a Snapdragon processor, and if we look at this confirmation and analyze, we will see that all these things are present in Redmi K30 as well. Now the second phase is regarding the leaks which we are seeing right now over the internet and buzz around is about the physical overview and the live images of Poco X2. If you look at those images, there is a dual camera punch hole in a capsule shape present on the right side of the device, and also we are seeing that the back side of the device is also covering with the quad camera setup on the back side, and it is kind of a similar shape and design which we already have seen in a Redmi K30 4G. Other leaks are regarding the screen. We might see a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display on the front side, and it is also coming with a dual punch hole camera cutout. As I already mentioned, 20:9 is the aspect ratio, and the front is also coming with a 20 megapixel of a main camera and a 2 megapixel of depth sensor camera. The back is covered with the quad camera setup as I mentioned earlier, and it is coming with a 64 megapixel of the Sony sensor, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel of macro lens, and 2 megapixel of a depth sensor camera. It is expected and leaked over the internet by 91 mobiles, and according to them we might see a 4500 mAh of a battery inside, and there are two variants. Also there is a Geekbench leak regarding that particular Poco X2 device over the internet, and if we look at images, that there are two variants are going to be launching. One is 6GB variant and the other one is an 8GB variant. The processor mentioned in the listing is clocked at 1.80, and in all likelihood it could be a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset. That said, so all these leaks which I have mentioned you in the second phase of the video are yet been rumored over the internet. We will see that device is going to be launched on February 4, and literally there are 3 days remaining regarding the device, and we will see there that whether the leaks are confirmed or not. Personally, in my opinion, the device is going to be a Redmi K30 rebranded version of Poco X2. So guys, let you know me in the comment section below what you think about this Poco device, Poco X2 device. Is this device is going to be a rebranded version, or the Poco family will bring a new change in this device? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.